Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import rules in Microsoft Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to transfer your email management settings from one account to another or restore rules you've previously exported. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your emails and sync your mailbox. This ensures that everything is properly connected before you start importing your rules. Now that your email has loaded, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. This is where you'll find the main navigation ribbon that contains various tabs for different functions. Click on the Home tab to access the primary set of features you'll need for managing your emails and rules. Under the Home tab, look for the Move section. This section contains several important Outlook features related to organizing and managing your emails. You'll see three different options here. Click on the Rules drop-down menu to reveal additional options. From the list that appears, select Manage Rules and Alerts. This option opens up the central control panel where you can view, create, edit, and import all your email rules. A new window called Manage Rules and Alerts will now appear on your screen. At the top of this window, you'll notice a header section with two tabs, Rules and Alerts and Email Rules. Make sure you're on the correct tab where you can see all the rule management options. In this header area, you'll prominently see a button labeled Import Rules. This is exactly what you need to bring in rules from an external file, whether you're transferring them from another computer or restoring a backup you created earlier. Click on the Import Rules button, and immediately a File Explorer window will open. This window allows you to browse through your computer's folders and locate the specific rule file you want to import. These rule files typically have an RWZ extension, which is Outlook's standard format for storing rules. Navigate through your folders until you find the rule file you wish to import. Once you've located it, click on it to select it, then click the Open button at the bottom of the File Explorer window. Outlook will now begin processing and importing all the rules contained in that file into your current account, and that's it. You've successfully imported your rules into Outlook, and they'll now automatically apply to your incoming and existing emails based on the conditions you've set. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.